All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Tuesday, August 25th. I made around $4,500 today. Let me see if that is accurate. $4,200. I made 500 on 5 top sub accounts, and then 450 on 450 on 1 alpha account, and then 650 on 2 alpha capital accounts. Overall, great fucking day. We took longs at market open. I'm gonna go over my thought process coming into market open right now. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, we are honestly extremely mixed. There is nothing clear on the 4-hour, right? If we look at the 4-hour, technically price swooped this low and is respecting this bullish 4-hour gap and this bullish 4-hour breaker. We are also respecting this bearish 4-hour order block and this bearish 4-hour fair value gap. So the 4-hour is bouncing between two Peter rays. What are we gonna do? Hop onto the higher time frame. What do we see on the higher time frame? We are rejecting a daily on the both bearish and bullish side, right? However, I am bullish on the higher time frame because we had an order block here. We are respecting this order block right here. Price is still respecting this order block right here. And then coming out of this order block, price is placed to the upside, created a bullish BPR, right? So at this point in time, I don't really trade BPRs, but it was just an extra confluence. I was bullish coming to the day today also because this daily is a newer PD ray. I like to trade new PD rays. This is a few days ago. This was literally created yesterday. We saw the previous day low, swept. We did not sweep session liquidity. Damn, price just pumped. We did not sweep session liquidity. If we look at price, London and Asian lows, we're still below us. We did not sweep those, but we did have London and Asian highs on ES resting above us. If you look at ES, we had London highs above us and Asian highs on ES, and on Nasdaq we only had Asian. So coming to market open, we had a bearish S&T at London highs. We are rejecting a bearish 4-hour fair value gap and a bearish daily fair value gap. So bias for most people was definitely cooked today because I was bullish. So if I'm telling you we are respecting a bearish 4-hour gap and a bearish daily gap, you're gonna think we are bearish, but no. Price clearly wants to push higher if you look at the daily time frame. We are also respecting a bullish daily fair value gap, and it looks like we are actually waking out of it. We swept previous day low inside a bullish daily fair value gap. Hop down to the 4-hour. Honestly, nothing to see here. Hop down to the 1-hour. We see price created an order block. This entire move to the downside, since we broke above the high, is an order block. We are inside a 1-hour bullish order block right here. We are still respecting it, especially around market open, we are respecting it. So we're in a 1-hour order block inside of a daily bullish fair value gap. On top of that, on the 15-minute time frame, right here, what is this? A last move to the downside before we swept sell side right here. Candle closure above it right here. CISD. We created a 15-minute bullish CISD. What respects it? 9:15. So by the time market open is about to open, the 9:29 close respected this 15-minute bullish CISD. Also, the fact that we didn't get any displacement candles to the downside while resting inside these bearish 15-minute gaps told us that we are truly bullish at this time. If we are not respecting a bearish Peter ray and displacing from it, especially towards market open, there's a big chance price is going to just disrespect it and rip through it. At this point in time, we are disrespecting bearish. We are not respecting this. Even though we didn't inverse it, we're still not respecting it. We are not displacing any lower. So we're disrespecting a bearish 15-minute while respecting a bullish 15-minute Peter ray. Therefore, we are bullish on the 15-minute, hourly, and daily. That is more than I need to confirm a bullish bias. On top of that, we got a bullish 5-minute close at 9:29. We also got a bullish 3-minute close, and the 1-minute close also told us a lot. 9:28 manipulated higher and then lower, and then 9:29 gave us a candle closure up here. I literally entered long right here at, I was not, 9:30 was a weird candle. 9:29, 9-point stop loss because there's no volatility today. Targeting this internal high. Now, if you look here, we also had equal highs on, if you look here, I don't know why my OBS is filming so far to the left, but if you look here, we also have equal highs right here. So I did take profit right here for a 1 to 2, which is a lot for me. You guys know I take 1 to 1, so 1 to 2 was like, oh, it was like holy shit for me. It was like aura. I took profit here on top step and I made 500 per account, right? Because I trade 2 contracts. So I did make around, I want to say 500 per account. And then, yeah, 500 per account. And then on Alpha Capital, I took profit on my 100K right here, but I also have two 50Ks on Alpha Capital. Held those all the way up here. Ironically, I ended up making more money with those with one contract than I did with my other accounts with two, because I held for 35 points. So I made 650 on two accounts or 615, but literally just TPing a little higher. But I love to play it safe. I don't need a big winning day. Even though I would have made 1.2 across 6 accounts or 5 accounts, which would have been incredible. We are not greedy, so we take our profits where we can. Like I said, we use Asian highs to determine our bias. We have internal liquidity above us. We are expecting bullish P/D raise. Overall structure seems to be bullish. And we also have Asian highs above us. We use Asian highs and these highs, hourly highs resting above us, to determine our bias, not our take profits. We use external draws to determine our bias, and we use internal draws to play it safe and take our profits so we don't fucking be greedy, right? So all these draws above us were our actual draws on liquidity. So this is where I want price to go. Clearly you can see price did go to most of them before taking a shit and sweeping out these lows. But we take out, we take out sell side here. We expect a bullish 15-minute CISD inside an hourly order block, inside a daily fair value gap. All the confluences I need to go long on market open to these equal highs, to this internal high, and then right after that we took out Asian highs. Yes, overall great day. If you guys have any questions about this trade, I will be here to answer. I will leave a link to the free Discord in the bio. We also have the group mentorship where I do calls 3 times a week, send out my bias every single morning. I fully sent them a text this morning saying, everybody, bias is going to be bullish. At like 9:20, 9:30, ripped, everyone fucking ate. We also got calls 3 times a week, daily bias. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link to that in the bio. But more importantly, just join the free Discord. I'm trying to build the greatest fucking community in the trading industry. So feel free to join that. Literally call it free Discord for a reason. It's fucking free. I will see you boys tomorrow. Trade safe. Don't be an idiot. And yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.